Hi, welcome to New Life by New Thoughts, and my name is Quinn Pham, and welcome to the series of 5 secrets how to manifest anything you want. If you missed my previous videos, don't worry, the links are in the description. In this video, I will talk about the secret number 5. Maintain the high vibration. Actually, this is an easy step. Let me ask you, have you guys ever go to a restaurant with a family or friend? Okay, if you do, you go in there, you order your food. Then what do? Do you worry if your food gonna come, if they're gonna be at the right temperature, if they're gonna be correctly cooked, it's not too salty, it's not too bland, or you don't have any thought about that after you order? Because in your mind, it's inevitable that your food will come. So you move on after you order, you move on with your conversation with your friend or your family or whoever go with you. Dear friends, it's the same way for manifestation. This is the state where you should feel like you go on with your life. It's just like after you order food at a restaurant, you go on with your life and feel happy. Don't ever have to worry, don't ever have to question, don't ever have to think about what you want to manifest anymore. When you get to this state, you will know suddenly you feel a huge change inside of you. You are so happy. It's just like whatever you want already show up. You're very happy. You feel grateful for everything you have. You recognize all the great things around you. And your mind is so not much on what you want, what you lack anymore. You should be in a happy state right now. And if you are not, go back into my previous video and examine to see where you are stuck at. Are you stuck at step number 1, not clear on what you want? Or you stuck at number 2, that you don't believe? Or it's number 3, where your mind keep getting you back on how, trying to create actions, try to create strategy, and then you feel like, I don't know how to get there. Or are you stuck at number 4, when you have resistance, when you have self-worth issue, or when you have the core belief issue that cannot get you to what you want? If you rewatch my previous videos and still have issues or questions, comment below. I will try to answer all the questions that you have, and I will help you get you unstuck. At this point, there's nothing for you to do. You're super happy, and if you are, congratulations, your manifestation is coming soon. You are in the receiving mode right now. You don't have to do anything. Move on to your life and be happy. If you think this video is helpful, comment below. Or if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified for my future video. I'll make about law of attractions and manifestations. I hope to share my experience and my learning so you don't have to spend time on that and focus more on your time on manifestation. Ta-ta for now, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.